Hello student, today we will learn how to connect your Python program to your MySQL server. So here you will uh, you will have to make a program, a Python program, and that program will get connected with the help of MySQL connector, MySQL Python connector with your MySQL server and then to your MySQL database. Like here I have taken employee database. So what all steps you need to follow in this one? First of all, you need to install MySQL connector in your system, and once you have installed MySQL connector, then you need to import it in your program. You need to import this connector in your program, and once you have imported, then you can you can connect this with the help of this connector. You can connect your server to the your program to the MySQL server. So let us start doing it, please. So how I'll start? First of all, you need to install MySQL connector. Please, the prerequisite is your system must be having MySQL uh, already installed, so that your database MySQL must be having one database as well. So two things are required. Prerequisite is MySQL with your database. So you need to have this database there. And now I am installing this MySQL connector to get connected your program with the this MySQL database, that is employee. So let us start it, please. So first of all, look out for your Python idle. So just click right mouse button on it, go to open my file location, then click on this right mouse button and then go open file location. Here it is, there it is. Now you can copy this. Now go to your uh, you know uh, command DOS command prompt, click on this, and here you can give a command cd backslash and then cd paste that one. So it is done, and after this you can move scripts from here, scripts, and then here you need to write pip install mysql connector test python. So you need to install this, and once you will get installed, let us do it first, please. P3. So go with the pip3 and give the same command, install mysql connector. Oh, I think I have written wrong there. It is connector, please. Pip install mysql connector test python. So press enter and see. It is already satisfied. Otherwise, if it is not there, it will get installed. So now you have installed this. So now go back to your this thing. It is a requirement already satisfied. So you need not to install it again, and it is installed. So if it is not installed, it will install it. Now, once you have done this, you can close this now. Now you can move to your Python idle. Click on this. You can do it by VS Code or some other IDs, some frameworks, so you can use them. But here, what I am doing right now, I will create a new file. I will just import it. This is the first step is done. Please keep in mind. First step I have done. So first step, it was so first step from here we have done this installation. Now we are moving to next one. Here we will import this connector, and after having imported, then we will try to connect our program to the server by using this connector. So we will create a program, say connector.py or connect something will be there. So let us go to now Python idle. Here I will import this, import mysql-connector. And once you have imported, with the help of this one, you need to uh, connect your server. So I'll give here my server. Here I'll write Python program to connect MySQL server. So I have imported. After having imported, I will create. I'll configure this with my server variable to configure it with the with your MySQL. So MySQL server. So MySQL connector dot connect. You will be calling connect method, and here after this you need to specify to which host you are connected. So give here host name. I'll give localhost. Most probably in most of the cases it will remain localhost only, please. Localhost. Then you give here user. User you can give your root. Username is root. In your case, uh, by default it will be the same one. But if you are different one, you can specify that here, please. Then here password is again root. Done. And after this you can close it. Done. And after this you need to test out if it is connected. If my server dot is connected is connected is true, is connected equal to true, then you can print here, print connected, or you can write server connected to server successfully, connected to server successfully. I'll write this connected to server. It is now it is connected to server. So it is connected to server, and if it not, you can write else. In the else part you can print here could not connected to server. Print could not connect to server. Could not connect to server. So this is written, and now just run this program. Just see once, please. Import has been done, and then we are trying to configure it with the local host, that host, user, password, all configuration parameters have been given, and then here the test is being done whether it is got connected or not. If it is connected, then it will right here connected to server, and otherwise would not connect to server. So run this program and see the output, please. Connected to server. So my program has been my program is got connected with the server now. So this is step one. Then I mean, as we specified there steps, this is the first step and second one, and this is third one. Now we have got connected with the server, and after this the fourth step will be, here we will be getting connected to the database. So here you can put the fourth step, now connect to database. So I will do that. I will directly do that. I will not write here, but the fourth step, because as we have already performed all the three steps here and all are successful, now after this we need to connect it with the database. So go back to your go back to again idle, and then here connect it with the database now. So after this, what you are supposed to do, I will give now the name. I'll give it as, because it's for server, I'll give my DB. So here I'll do little change. That will be, I'll specifying my database. So here what I'll write, I will write uh, my database name is database, because I was checking that one was the for server, but now I'll be giving my database name. So if it is there, I'll not check out now. Let it be. Now it is done. So after this, what I am supposed to do with this one, I will create a cursor for this. Now it is database has been specified, so this will get connected with the database. So after this, what I'll write, I will specify this to my database server. So what I'll write here, what I'll write here, I will specify my DB, my cursor, because I want to get record from the, so my cursor equal to, I'll specify my DB dot, my DB dot, I will create a cursor for this, for this database, where the records will be picked up, and in this cursor I'll get all the record means I'll give here select command, select star from emp tab, emp tab. Now this cursor is there. I will get this cursor data in a result set. I'll have to execute first. Please keep in mind, I'll have to execute this cursor. Cursor dot execute, execute, and here it's not required. Just cursor, it's a constructor, so it's a method only. So I'll not do it here. I'll do here. So I'll write it. Now my cursor will be extracting information from here, and then after this you can get the data of this cursor execution in a result set. So right here, result set equal to my cursor dot fetch all. Fetch all means you are getting all the data from it. Please keep in mind, when you are giving this, that means you are getting all the data from, here. So now run a loop for this, for I, or else I can write here records. So I can get the records for record in result set. So I'll be getting all the record from the result set, and then I'll print this. Print what I want to print. I want to print record. So what I'll write record. Then the index number will be 0. First one, I got 3 fields there. So record 0, and then I can this, and for the other one I can 1, and third one will be print record for third parameter. So here this will be showing you the employee number, name, and salary. So once it is done, then this is over. So now try to run this program, please. Here I have got the data from the from my database. So here actually the data has not been entered correctly. Somewhere this has been written, the name is there, then salary is there, employee number is there, name is there, salary is there, employee number is there, name is there, salary is there. So like this I have retrieved data from the database table. So again, please see it. What I have done, I have imported this mysql connector. Then I created one object of one variable of the database, because here I have specified database, so I gave it name as mydb after having checked that server is working. Then I created one cursor for this mydb, and that cursor variable is my cursor. Then I executed one select command. The select command, you can, I have given like this. If you want to give it like this, you can give like this also. You can put a select command, sql command, and you can give it like this also. Sql equal to, put this, and uh, each time you need to just change this command and rest will remain same. So this sql command was executed by my cursor, and then with the help of execute method, once we retrieved the data from the table, then that data was placed in a variable. That variable was result set variable, and after that we scanned each and every row of that table, uh, of that result set, and then we try to print these one by one. And you can print it like this also. If not like this, you can put it like this also. Take a variable, say my record, my record, and here you can put, give it like this, and place here little with space, because the output that you seen right now was not up to that nice. So you can put it like this, so it will be, and then like this. So you can put here, and then this record will be done. And here what you need to print, you need to print my record. You need not remove these two and run this program and see the output. Just get one line, character format maybe. So now it should work. Oh, it's not taking this same type as for this int. So we need to convert it to a string piece. Put it here str, put it str, then str, then put it str. It's not able to convert that. So you can do it like this, and then save it and run it please. And the data has come up like this. So now you have got the data from the database. So thank you very much for seeing this piece.